Welcome to my channel Bulgarian Language Academy Bella, where you can learn Bulgarian language with me, Bistra. Today, I want to talk about a few words. Words that you use often, every day, in specific situations. Let's say you want to get on the bus or you want to go somewhere and someone's in front of you and you need to ask them, excuse me, can you or just excuse me. How do you say that in Bulgarian? You say, izvinete, izvinete, izvinete. It's the same excuse, izvinete, izvinjavai, the same word. The English word that's often used, sorry, which means съжалявам, съжалявам, is not used in this kind of situations. This is when you're really sorry about something. съжалявам, съжалявам. But the word you use when someone says something and you didn't hear, or you're like, pardon? What exactly did you say? Oh, pardon? Still, the Bulgarian version is moля, like moля. Moля, the same word you use when someone says thank you, and you say moля. You can use it in this kind of situation as well. Moля. Or moля. What did you say? Moля? This is a very short video with only a few words, but very helpful words. So I hope you enjoyed it. You definitely can use them, and please use them. And leave your comments. Do you use other words in situations like this? Have you used them? Or maybe people around you have used different words or reacted in a different way. It will be interesting to share your experience. That's all from me for now. Довиждане. Goodbye.